guys and gals out there, this is RockinRaffi bringing you another edition of RockinRaffi's Home Cooking. Since it's December, it's National Eggnog Month. So we're going to continue on this tradition and we're going to serve up some sweet breakfast treat for you today. In our previous episode, we made homemade organic eggnog. And in today's episode, we're going to use that eggnog and we're going to make eggnog French toast. And why do they call it French toast when the bread's not even French? I have no idea. We're going to use brioche. And brioche is a pastry bread of true French origin. And I think we're safe to use the word French toast in this episode. And by the way, we're going to be adding some rum to this eggnog mixture. And if you thought that wasn't enough, well, we're also going to add homemade cranberry orange compote. And if you've missed that episode, the link is above. Go ahead and click on that and it will guide you directly to watch that awesome video. Oh, and one more thing. We're also going to make amazing homemade vanilla orange whipped cream. And without further ado, if you're ready, I'm ready. It's time to Jingle Bell Rock. Alright, let's start off with the vanilla orange whipped cream. Combine together in a medium bowl half a cup of heavy whipped cream, half a teaspoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and the zest of a medium-sized orange. Using an electric hand mixer, beat the whipped cream for about 5 minutes until it forms a stiff peak. You could store the whipped cream in the refrigerator until it's ready to be served. Now for the eggnog mixture. Let's take 2 cups of eggnog, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and 2 tablespoons of spiced rum. Mix it all together inside a shallow baking dish. Melt 1 tablespoon of butter in a well-heated skillet. Take your brioche bread and soak it inside the eggnog mixture for about 20 to 30 seconds per side. Take your eggnog dipped brioche out of the mixture and put it inside the hot skillet and continue to cook it until golden brown, and then flip over, cook it until golden brown on that side as well. This is optional. You can add powdered sugar if desired. Pour over a warm cranberry orange compote right down the middle. And serve this with a side of the vanilla orange whipped cream. Here it is, the 5-star breakfast, now served. This looks amazing. Something straight out of a cooking magazine. Okay, enough staring and let's tantalize our taste buds. Wow, the flavors. This French toast is really all about the bread. The kind of bread you use makes a huge difference. The spiced rum, the cinnamon is just exploding with flavors in my mouth. And let's not forget, we just took delicious to a whole new level by making homemade cranberry orange compote and this beautiful looking cloud vanilla orange whipped cream. This is truly a masterpiece and what I call a December to remember. The flavors of everything on this plate and the combinations all together are superb. Honestly guys, I'm going to tell you straight out, you will not find this in any 5-star hotel, restaurant, or chef's house. No, you will find this right at your own home. Make sure you make this. You guys are going to love it. It's amazing. You're going to thank me for this, trust me. Well, this just wraps up today's episode. And if you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, share with all your friends and family, and comment right down below. And don't forget that little notification bell so you get notified when my next videos get uploaded. And here's a little sneak peek of what's coming up next. Have an awesome holiday season, and until next time, keep on rocking.